Yes, now time to start our morning. It's very early morning now. We are going for chimpanzee tracking here at Kibale National Park. Let's see what we have with the nature. Let's see what the wild have for us today. Yes, so we are heading up to the office briefing, then we start our chimps tracking. Driving safely. Here we are at the offices for some briefing. Yeah, so we had a nice briefing from our guide.
Yeah. You're most welcome to Kibale National Park, and the place is called Financial. And it's a visitor information center where most of the tourism activities in Kibale National Park begin from.
Yes, now later went inside the trail to look for our chimpanzee. Very excited to take some nice good photos. We were really very excited.
Yes. You're here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Nice.
Tracking chimps.
How
are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
In East Africa.
Tracking chimps.
Yes, then we had this chimpanzees grooming. Oh. You hear that? It's beautiful sound. Extraordinary. Sure, that was really amazing. Experience to here in the forest, looking at them in the forest. That was so amazing. Yeah, with the team, we did this for the first time in our lives. It was so good. Next time it's now you to come and see them. It's a beautiful experience to have in this beautiful Kibale.
My fellow guides also.
Kibale.
Shooting chimpanzees. Let's see.
After shooting, we were almost now leaving. So some of us were still shooting, and our guide was giving us some bit of good stories about these social groups of chimpanzees in the forest. It's a story that you need to come and listen to when you are right there in the forest. So that's the end of our video. Welcome to Kibale National Park. Until next time, see you soon. Bye bye.